this is the front, and I'm going to make you see the side. I can't go to the back, it's too much snow. OMG. Let me turn on the lights. Wow. My. Unbelievable. It's still snowing. Woohoo! You see how high that is? Ay, ay, ay. My. Okay then. Oh, we are going to out here so tomorrow now. And Siobhan not come in yet. Siobhan, him on him way from work. But him not coming yet. My gosh, look at that. Hallelujah. This is an update on the snowstorm in New Jersey. Look at my yard. Look how high that is. Crazy snow. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? That's footstep. Come on, turn on. Okay. See that? Look at that. Hallelujah. Man. Wow. You see one on the back of the yard? Unbelievable. When you have a big yard and snowfall, how you deal with that? This is a lot. It's one hot mess. Man, this is my first snow here, you know, in this house. The first one, scary. The sun don't even reach home yet. I'm gonna leave home already. This is madness. This is the part I don't like with snow. When you have to drive in it. It's beautiful and everything, but I don't like when you have to drive in a snow. It's terrible. My car spin already, like spin roll driving in a snow. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what everybody's crazy about? Huh? What about the people them out there who are driving at this? Black ice and snow is not my thing. Nope. Guys, plow truck. Oh my gosh. I think that's my son coming in now. That's him. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's him. But the good thing about it, the plow trucks are working, guys. They are working. They are working. Look at that. You see that? He's... Oh my gosh. That'll take... Oh my god. There's a ditch right there. Oh man.
I'm stuck.
No, you're not.
Too much snow.
Yeah. But the plow truck them must start work now, so the good thing about it, tomorrow morning people will be able to go to work. Oh my gosh. Look like you really stuck with you. Oh my god. Maybe you have to just leave the car right there, so. Oh my god. It's shut off? Oh my gosh. Well, Max not gonna work tomorrow. Cause the company's shut down. Oh my gosh. Yeah. He's stuck in the driveway. Shoveling on my car back. My shoveling on my car back. Oh no, I don't think so. Maybe under the thing under the back. Yeah. But maybe you have to just leave the car right there, so.
Just leave it there, sir?
Maybe. But then when them a plow it, I go, no, me not think that's maybe a good idea. Because when them a plow, yeah, it's gonna be hard.
You leave it in the yard. Right there, sir?
Yeah, if you can leave it over there, so, but I don't know if that's possible or that I go work. Yeah, this the driveway right there, so just too deep. It's too much. Oh my gosh. See that? That's why I hate driving in damn snow. I don't know how people like that. Me not like the snow like that. Near the. You have to be careful, Papa. Just leave it right there, so. No make it go back. No make it go back. All right. Careful. Leave it right there, so. Just leave it right there, so. Yeah, make it stay there, so, cause Max now come out so early tomorrow. Yeah. The good thing you get it in and off of the road, because when the plow truck I go push that snow here, it's gonna be wicked.